What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is part 2 of the sketchiest drive I've ever done in my life, so let's get to it. Welcome to Truck House Lap, baby.
When I had my old Toyota RV a long time ago, I used to pull a snow machine trailer behind me. One time I was going up a kind of steepish hill with it, and I broke traction in four-wheel drive and started sliding backwards. And the trailer started jackknifing until it hit the side of my RV, and it pushed us both down the hill like that, just sliding out of control, smashing all against each other. So I'm gonna try not to repeat that. Here we go. Extra nervous. Moment of truth. Oh, God. I think it's hitting. Oh no. I might have to put them on my front wheels. Oh yeah, look at that. Really? When I was sent these wheels, they sent me the wrong offset. It's supposed to fit the truck, but obviously they don't. They put the rim in super close. Oh yeah, look at that. It's hitting. I gotta take them off. Freaking crazy, man. That sucks. So these chains will only go on my front tires. Take two, let's put them in the front. Son of a monkey. Hey, at least I can put them on right this time. You can see this time I got the cams in the outside where they're supposed to be, so that's cool at least. And I think, oh yeah, I got nothing stopping it on this side for good. Ooh, you can't tell, but this is pretty steep. We're getting up it though. For the record, I'm moving about 5 miles an hour, but that is totally fine. That's totally better than not moving at all. Honestly, guys, I don't think I would have made it without chains on up this. This is super, super slick and steep. I can just feel it. Really hoping I can get up this hill before my transmission gets too hot enough to stop in the road before it overheats. I think I'll be able to make it. Probably the only downside to having chains on, like why people don't use them all the time, is especially with these ice cleats. Even if you go 5 miles an hour, it feels like going down like the worst washboards you've ever gone down almost. So it's gonna take it super slow. So I'll probably take them off at the top of the hill. Wow, this is like, you guys might not be able to tell, but this is solid ice, like slick glazed ice. And you know what, to a lot of people this would seem ridiculously slow going 5 miles an hour for, you know, however, I've got 2,000 something miles to go. But you know what, just think about in the old days, I've got it so easy. I'm just sitting here in this truck, literally sitting doing nothing, pushing down a pedal with my foot, and I'm moving this truck, the house, and another vehicle and all my stuff with no effort at all for like a few dollars every 12 miles. I'm pretty grateful for technology. Think about all the people that did this on horseback. This is still pretty doggone steep too. This is, I'd say, like a probably 12% grade right now, 12 to 15%. We're at Jackery Lake, still climbing. Been going, I'd say about 2 hours now to go. I don't even know how far. Maybe 6 or 7 miles. I don't know. Maybe 10 miles. Here's the salt shed. He said I could take my chains off here, but I'm still kind of scared to. We're right, we're chainless. Let's go. Everything's rolling pretty smooth right now. I'm driving right by Duffy Lake, which is on the left over here. Once I go a pretty good ways down here, I'm gonna chain up before I drop down the super steep hill into Lillooet, which is supposed to be the worst part. So hopefully I'll know where that is and chain up before I get there. Avalanche area. As you can see, Duffy Lake right here. It's chain up time again. I may be 10 miles from Lillooet, and I'm about to go down. It says 13% grade, so I ain't even chancing it. Wow, look at all the people spinning out and losing it. Holy crap. Whew. It's a steep grade, like 13%. It's pulling us. These chains are saving my tail right now, man. Here we come to the really steep part. Here's the brake check, Cayuge Point. I think it's about to get real uphill. You know what I just realized too? I have not seen the first semi truck. I mean, not one. And people don't come up here towing trailers apparently. So take note, if you're driving up Highway 99 North, when you get to Cayuge Point, you better stop, because I know this is supposed to be the worst part of the drive up 99 when it's slick and nasty out. This is supposed to be the sketchy part, so here we go. This is the part I've actually been most nervous about the whole trip, so ooh, man, I got it in 4-wheel drive low range, and it's trying to push me down the hill right now. Holy crap. I'm in a low gear too. Well, that's appropriate. Woohoo, that's a good sign. Made it through another set of avalanche gates. And the grade decreases to only 11% grade now. Hey, that's better than 13. You can see Lillooet down there. Hope that's how you pronounce it. I keep saying that. Almost down. These chains are saving my tail, man. I'm telling you. Yes! We made it to pavement! Dry pavement. I'm gonna take these freaking chains off the base of this hill here. Oh, thank God. I hope we can fit under this bridge. Holy crap, this is super low. Jeez, I ripped my chimney off. That would have sucked. All right, back in the road. We made it, woo! I cannot describe to you guys how relieved I am right now. We made it down to the town of Lillooet, up that big mountain pass, down the backside, all in one piece. I honestly don't think I would have done it without the chains. I just couldn't have done it. It would have been out of control. Anyway though, we're here. Only 2,200 miles to go. Oh yeah. I'm going to pull into the Chevron here, fill up with diesel again, just make sure I'm totally topped off all the time, and we'll keep moseying up the road pretty much until it gets dark almost. That's our plan. Alrighty, here's our left turn heading towards Cache Creek. So we're on 99 still. We're heading towards Highway 97, which takes us north.
Stay on British Columbia 99 North.
Anyway, that's what we're doing. So there's the town of Lillooet and the pass I dropped down out of back there. Pretty crazy looking. Heading north to Alaska, 2,000 something miles to go. My heart is pounding. I just totally lost it back there. It was super crazy slick. I started sliding towards the curve, could not stop. I just went and put my tire down in the snow, and luckily that slowed me down. See where someone just came out of control right there. Oh my God. Whew, I don't have the chains on right now, so I was not expecting that. I thought this crap was done. The way I just slid back there, it wasn't even that steep. If I would have gone down those steep mountain passes I just did without chains, there's no way. There's absolutely no way. I'd have been totally out of control. Ooh, I'm glad I got it back in control right then. Holy crap, is that turn right up there? Oh, something's going on in front of us. Ambulance just passed, another emergency vehicle passed, but hopefully nothing's blocking the road. Whoa, he's in the ditch. Slick out, looks like that just happened. I'm assuming something's going on. There's a whole bunch of people flashing their lights at me, and I don't have a disconnected trailer and all my lights are on, so I think they're warning us something ahead here. Hopefully nothing too bad. Oh, what's this? As that ambulance went by. Oh boy, I hope we can get through. Please, 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 please. Looks like the U-Haul is stuck. That sucks for those guys. That was totally that U-Haul that just passed me kind of flying, and I guarantee you it's slick out. I'm sure they lost control and then they probably hit that freaking Jeep Cherokee head on. Hopefully everyone's all right there. That's pretty torn up. And it looks like some guys are ice fishing right out there. Maybe a little bit of ice fishing, eh? Holy crap, it's another wreck. Jeez, there's something going on. I'm telling you, man, it's bad out here. It is really bad. Oh boy, got something else coming on. I don't know what's going on. This looks like it might be a power line crew, actually. I know a lot of these power lines were taken out. At least I saw them coming, so I was able to slow down. Yeah, I see a power line. I see a boom up there, something like that. Some kind of lift. Cool. Oh my God, I think we almost made it. Just before dark. Pretty sure Highway 97 intersection is coming up around the corner. Yeah, we made it. We freaking made it to the Highway 97 intersection. That was, no joke, that was actually the sketchiest drive I've ever done. I was more nervous and scared in that drive than anything else I've done in my life. I'm sure it looked mellow in camera, but that was not chill for hauling a car behind me with this thing on the back too. So anyway, we made it. That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Got a long way to go. It's like -10, so I'm gonna go put a jacket on. Peace, y'all.